Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create desktop shortcuts in Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to turn on your computer and wait for it to fully boot up. Make sure Windows 11 loads completely before proceeding with any steps. This ensures that all your system files and desktop features are ready to use. Once your PC is up and running, it's time to create your desktop shortcut. You can do this from either your Windows desktop or by opening File Explorer. Navigate to the location where your desired file, folder, or software is stored. This could be anywhere on your computer, whether it's in your Documents folder, Downloads, or any other directory. Take a moment to locate the specific item you want quick access to from your desktop. After you've found the file, folder, or application you want to create a shortcut for, simply right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, move your cursor over the option labeled Send To. When you hover over Send To, you'll notice that another menu expands to the side, giving you additional choices for where you can send or copy this item. In this expanded menu, look for and click on Desktop Create Shortcut. This is the option that will generate a shortcut icon on your desktop. What this does is create a quick access link that points directly to your original file or application, without actually moving or duplicating the file itself. The shortcut acts as a convenient pathway, allowing you to open your file or launch your software with just a double click from your desktop, rather than having to navigate through multiple folders every time you need it. And that's it! You've now created a desktop shortcut in Windows 11, making it much easier to access your frequently used files and applications. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.